Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iiiF150 Airtel Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a contact on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open Contacts app, and now right here we have to start from typing number of our new contact. As you can see now right here we can add a new contact. So create new contact. Now we can choose if we want to save this contact on our Gmail or on our device, and we have to choose device. Right here we have a picture option where we can choose from our gallery. We can take a photo with our camera. You can just set a monogram, or you can choose one from Google Illustrations. And I am going to choose, for example, from cities and places. And right here I am going to choose historical sites. And I think that's gonna be okay for our profile picture. Here we have presets of colors, but we can also just color this illustration by ourselves, and we can also crop it. So here we can set a first and last name of our contact. So I don't know, I'm going to name our contact Peter. Right here we can set a last name, Peter, for example Jacob. Here we can set a company. Now right here we can set a phone number and choose if this is mobile, home, work fax, home fax, pager, other, call custom label, callback, car, company main, ESDN, main, other fax, radio, telex, TTY, TDD, work mobile, work pager, assistant or MMS. Here same with email, we can set a new email and choose if this is homework, other, mobile, or just call custom label. We can add a birthday of our contact and choose if we want to change it to anniversary, something other, or just create whole new custom label name. We can also add an address and choose right here what this address is. And right here we can just write some notes about our new contact. And now we can save it, and as you can see, he's right here. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!